Mentza's partner page demo. Now this is a page where you will be able to track your leads, track the progress you're making, and more importantly, a place where you will get access to all the resources that we have, which will help you in the process of building this franchisee and this partnership with Mentza. Now, how do you access this page? The minute you're onboarded as a partner, you will receive an email with your sign-in details and password, as well as a link to this page. Go ahead and log in. For today's demo purposes, we will be logging into Mentza's page where we track our internal leads. So the minute you're logged in, you will see your dashboard page. Now in this case, you can see we already have a bunch of institutes. When you will log into your page, it will have no institutes, obviously, because you're logging in for the first time. So what you'll have to do is this button over here which says add new lead. Go ahead, click it, and that's how you can start populating this page. Also on top you will see a bunch of different tabs. Now over here you'll be able to see your inventory of individual subscriptions, discount coupons, tracking sheet, and resources. We'll go through each one of these. What you also see on this page is a button called onboarding AI session. Now this is a web link where you can actually demo what an AI session looks like in case you're showing people. So once you click on it, you get this particular screen, you put in your email address, you'll get a verification code, and you can do a demo right from your laptop, right? Now let's see, how do you add a lead? So once you know that there is a institute that you want to pursue, you come in here and you search for it. In our case, we're looking at Tap Me, right? Now go ahead and click on it. Now why it's important to actually do this is because this will give you a sense of whether the institute actually is available or not. As there are multiple partners, there might be a situation where that institute is no longer available because somebody's already in conversation with them. So as soon as you know you're interested in an institute, it's very important to come in here and check. So this one is actually available. If I hit add institute, it will show up on my list. So let's go ahead and do that. It's gotten added. Let's go up to our dashboard, and there you go. So you can see it already has gotten added to our list of leads. Now you might say that, okay, now that I have my list of leads, how do I track the progress? For this, you will go to the Google Sheet, and it will have all of your institutes with details on when you added it, when it will expire. You typically have a 60-day period so that you can see you typically have a 90-day period to convert a lead, after which it becomes available to everybody else and the lead expires. And this is where you'll end up tracking at what stage a particular conversation is. Now the second tab, which is your subscription inventory. Now this is 1-year subscriptions that are part of the partner contract, which you can actually do as you please with. If you choose to sell them, gift them, this is where you can do it from. You'll need to add the recipient's email. This will tell you how many you have available, how many you've already sent out. So this is the tracking for the subscription inventory. Discount coupons. Now these are all the discount coupons which have been customized for you. You get 4 different kinds of coupons. One is a 10% discount, a 25%, a 50%, and then the 3-day free coupon. This is typically used for if somebody an individual, an institute needs to test or wants to try the Mentza platform, this is the coupon you will actually share with them. The digit over here below tells you how many have been used. If you click here, the coupon code gets copied and you can share it using WhatsApp, email, however you choose. The alphabets before are unique to you. So these codes are completely unique to you as a partner. Over here we also have our standard on-app pricing and what the pricing becomes when you use one of the 10, 25 or 50% coupons. Then we have last but not the least is the resources that have been made available to you. So when you click on that, it'll open the drive, and over here you can see we have about 7 folders. We are constantly uploading new content, updating these based on how the product develops, and when we have new information. So this is important because over here you will have all the content which will help you convert leads, understand the platform better. So for example, we have about Mentza. This has a product demo. It has the distinction between the company and the product, which is Intem and Mentza. It has presentations, videos, which you can access when you have the time. We have outreach material. So over here you have things like scripts for cold calling, email templates, in case you want to hire somebody to help you with the sales process. We have job descriptions already ready. We have a presentation, a sales presentation already ready that you can use. Of course, you're most welcome to edit these, customize these as you feel fit, but this is to get things started. We also have design resources, which means that if you need logos, if you need to print visiting cards, the template is already there. We have a pamphlet template. In case you're going to events, we have posters, banners, standees which you can access. We have our social media handles, which has a lot of content from the past and what we're doing currently. So this is a good place to check out from time to time to see what's going on the platform and keep yourself updated. We have progress tracking, we have partner activation, we have institute activation. This is another important one because when you're bringing an institute on board, it has MOU templates, proposal templates. Once an institute has been onboarded, you have what a student workshop would look like. You have content for that. You also have welcome letter templates. So a lot of the information is here. Of course, you can always reach out to us if you need anything else. If you need customized design resources, we're happy to work with you on that. And that pretty much sums up the partner page. And if you have any questions, always you can reach out to us. And yeah, I would definitely urge you to explore and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.